So today we're going to talk about a myth, easy fixes with the IRS. Hello and welcome. When it comes to dealing with the IRS, there are many myths about shortcuts and easy fixes. Today, we're going to be covering one of them. There's a common myth that you can simply call the IRS on the phone and negotiate a tax reduction without any sort of documentation. This sounds tempting, but it's essential to understand the reality. The reality is that the IRS operates within a structured framework. They require documentation and evidence to support any claims of request of tax reduction. Documentation is crucial because it provides proof of your financial situation. Without it, it's challenging for the IRS to assess your eligibility for any reduction of tax liability. Wait, before we move on, do you know any horror tax stories of someone who's gone at it alone? Put the comment below. Okay, so now let's talk about accuracy and why is it so important. Accuracy is paramount when dealing with the IRS. Incomplete or inaccurate information can lead to delays and complications within the resolution process. If you're watching this video, it's because you or someone you know is probably having some sort of problems with the IRS. If you're facing IRS issues, it is advisable to work with tax professionals. They can help you gather and prepare all the necessary documentation and navigate the negotiation process effectively. So just for context, let me give you a short example of what could happen if you do it alone. I just recently was hired by a taxpayer who submitted an offer in compromise by herself. The offer was rejected because it was not complete. Now she came into an inheritance from her mother who passed away, and now she no longer has the opportunity to file an offer in compromise. The only thing she can do right now is a full pay installment agreement. The issue here is all about timing. Before her mother passed away, she was an offer candidate. Her mother passed away, she came into $100,000, and now the IRS wants a piece of that money. If she would have received representation last year before the passing of her mother, she would have been completely off the hook with the IRS. The moral of the story is this: just to save a couple of dollars is not worth it going against the IRS by yourself. Always seek representation. If you or a loved one would like support with your tax problems, please visit our website at reliabletaxdefense.com and book a free consultation.